They're eating my gingerbread men. What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video and happy Vlogmas Day 12. We had to start off this Christmas clean and decorate with me using some of our hot cocoa bombs that we made. If you missed that video, I'll be sure to link it in the iCards above. We had a blast doing this video, you guys. So this collab is called Homemaking to the Rescue, and it's hosted by Jessica Myros and organized with Joy. So be sure to check the description box below so you can see what everyone else posted for this collab. All right, you guys, let's get into it.
All right, she's kind of injured.
So once we cheers, you guys, we went ahead and started cleaning this living room from top to bottom before we decorated for the holiday. Did y'all hear my boyfriend say the water looks extra municipal, as if it was dirty? Like, hello, it's not water, it was milk. He crazy. So anywho, the first thing I wanted to do was give my walls a nice scrub down. I'm just using some Lysol and some steaming boiling water. Comment down below, how often do you clean your walls, whether it's just dusting them or actually cleaning them with some type of surface cleaner. For those that are new to my channel, hello, let me stop and introduce myself. My name is Cicely, and I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia. That is an inherited red blood cell disorder that causes pain in your joints. It causes immobile issues. Sometimes I don't get enough oxygen to different organs and hospitalization. And I wanted to just share my story so that people can see multiple sides of disability, and to encourage you that no matter what you have going on in your life, you can make it and we can make it together. So I would love to have you subscribe and join the family. You guys, when I tell you this artwork, when I made it, I loved it, but it just stresses me out trying to clean it because of all the broken glass. But at the end of the day, I guess they, just like they say about hair, beauty is pain. So this is just me being real with what's going on in my house at the time. My kids, I allow them to snack on the couch, so it gets crazy under here. Even though it was, made me feel weird that my son used the whole vacuum like this instead of just the attachment, I'm learning to just let go and accept the help in whatever form it may come. He was so excited to go ahead and decorate the living room. So however he sees fit to help me today, I'm just trying to relax and let him do him. I definitely enjoyed and appreciated having his company. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that's been commenting and joining us every day for Vlogmas. Your support means so much to me. And speaking of shout outs, let's go ahead and stop and do our subscriber shout out. If you want to be shout out, it's easy. Just join the fam and leave a comment, and we could be reading yours on the next video. So this comment is from the Bath & Body Works candle haul. I went live this day, y'all. I believe it was Vlogmas day number 2. And when I tell y'all I had a blast, y'all should really check that out. So the subscriber is Miss TK6216. She wrote, "Hi, I'm a new subscriber and I love your content and words of wisdom." Thank you, girl. Well, thank you so much for saying that. Anytime I learn something, I definitely enjoy passing it along to you guys, and welcome to ATC gang. So once we got the top of the couch clean, we had to go ahead and get underneath the bottom, and in true Caden fashion, he had to stop and take a break. He made up a game where basically we're trying to see who can get the construction hat on each other's head. Was moving. Oh, you moved your head.
Yeah, I might have to bounce mama in the head. Like this.
Me? Lord, this boy play too much. So after we finished cleaning up under the couch, I went ahead and wiped down this little dresser. This is where I keep my candles, and I did a candle haul. So if you guys want to see that video, I'll make sure to link it up above in the iCards as well as the description box. Comment down below, have you guys decorated for the holidays yet? And if you have, let me know what colors you used.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that.
Now we went ahead and took some Lysol and hot water to wipe down the TV stand. And after about 2 minutes of this, my sickle cell started hurting. I was having pain in my hands due to the moisture. It's something about me being wet too long or in rain where it'll cause pain. So my son took over with the rest of the decorating from here. I'm so thankful for him and proud of him.
To spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you.
So during the process of decorating as well as watching this footage during editing, I just took joy in seeing how happy and excited my son was to take over and decorate for the holidays. And it reminded me that not everyone is happy around Christmas time for various reasons. And if that's you, I just want to send you a virtual hug and let you know that it will be all right.
Sing choirs of angels.
If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and drop this emoji in the comments. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12. Be blessed and happy holidays.